welcome back for another video. So today's video I'm just going to do a quick set using these gel polishes from Macart, and one is from Macart's sister brand. I've already applied my almond shaped full cover tips. I got them on Amazon. I've already filed away the tab at the tip as well as buffed the shine. And now I'm going to go ahead and do a thin layer of this base coat over all the nails as well. This base coat is from Model 1s. I absolutely love this for just using as a base coat. And then once I'm finished, I do go ahead and cure that for a full 60 seconds. So now starting with the design, I'm going to use this, I believe it's called Awesome Gel Polish. It's from a sister brand from Macart. This color is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a pink purple with like a shimmery glitter in it. And then I'm going to use this as my base color for the majority of the nails. This color is called Ginger. It's also from Macart. So I'm going to start off by putting this as my base color for, I believe it's the thumb, the pointer, and the middle finger. And I think this color is perfect for like a nude base. Macart's gel polish is amazing. So I just apply a thin layer of that over those nails, and I do go ahead and cure once I'm finished. I do make sure to clean around my cuticle also, because I cannot stand when I get the gel polish on my skin and I forget to wipe it away. It is such a pain to get it off once it's cured on there. So I am very big on making sure to wipe away my cuticle after every single time. So once I'm finished applying that nude color to those three nails, I do go in with this one. It's called It's Complicated, and I go over the full nail on the pinky and the middle. And then once I'm finished, I do go ahead and cure that. I don't show it, but I do 3 coats. This is after the first coat, and this is after I did 3 coats of that pink color. It's Complicated. I just did 1 coat for the base color. And now I'm going to go in with this top coat. This is from Model 1s. And again, I cure it for 30 seconds. So here we are. Everything is top coated. It's I could have left it at this and it would have been gorgeous. You guys, these tips are everything for me. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of this It's Complicated into my nail palette. I'm gonna do some nail art. So for the ring finger, I'm gonna do a French tip using that pink color. And I don't have no rhyme or reason to how I do my French tip. I just use my liner brush and I kind of try to make it even on both sides, like where I start the line, and then I kind of creep up the nail, you know, and then I just color it in and try to make that French tip as even and straight as I can. And then I go in with my cleanup brush and try to fix any mistakes or whatever. And I do only 1 coat of this because you'll see what I mean. I kind of want it to be like you could see the color but not as vivid as the other 2 because of the other nail art that I'm planning to do. It's going to be kind of like a faint color. So yeah, you'll see what I mean. So like I said, I do go in with my cleanup brush. I dipped it in alcohol and I just kind of clean up. I know you can't see it here, it's pretty blurry, but I just wanted to keep that in so you could see what I was doing. And then I did go ahead and cure that nail. And now for the pointer finger here, the first attempt I didn't really like it, so I did just wipe it off. But I wanted to keep it in here because my camera on my phone stopped recording. I think because I had too much videos on my phone, so it stopped recording. So this is the first attempt, and I wanted to keep it in because I kind of did it for the second time, but like I said, it stopped recording. So I pretty much did the same thing I did the first time. On the second time, I just did a bigger flower because I didn't like the 3 flowers like that. So I just did one big nail at the cuticle area. Right, so then I wiped it off, and then you'll see right here it just cut off, and I apologize, I'm sorry. I usually try to clean up some of my old photos before I film a video, but like I said, it just cut off, and I apologize. So I actually did end up doing it on my thumbnail. My thumbnail was supposed to be I was going to do a French tip on my thumb as well. But I wanted to show you guys how to use the blooming gel, so I did it on my thumb. And the set is still gorgeous, like it's not a big deal. So all I do is apply a even coat of that blooming gel. This is from a cart. I got it from my July Your Nail Lab subscription box, and I'm obsessed. I want to use it for every set now. So like I said, I just apply a layer of that, and then before curing it, I take my dotting tool. This came in that subscription box as well. And I take that, it's complicated gel polish, and I dip my dotting tool in the polish, and into the wet blooming gel, I just do like a flower outline. And I kind of made it bigger because once it starts to bloom, it gets bigger. So if you do it too small, it looks like a big old blob. And then right when I'm finished, I take the liner brush on the other end, and I make a line in the middle of the dots. And then as soon as I was finished with that, I did the outside. So I did a line from the top going outward. And you kind of have to move quick or it'll like bloom together and look like a blob. And then I cured that. And this is what the set looks like so far. So you see how I did on that the French tip, I kind of made it like not so bright because I kind of wanted it to match the flower design. So once I was finished with making everything was cured, I went over everything with a top coat. But moving on, I found these. This is from, I want to say, one of the Your Nail Lab subscription boxes. I don't remember which month. But I found this pink color, and it matched perfect with the gel polish. And I also used the white ones too because it kind of had like a pink shift in it, pink purple shift, so it went perfect too. So starting off, I'm using my McCart rhinestone gel, and I put a dot of that in the middle of the flower. Then I take one of those small like bubble rhinestones, and I put that into the middle of the flower to like make that flower come, you know, alive, I guess. And then I just did like a line going out of the flower and then like around the tip of the nail. I don't know, just to add something extra, I guess. I don't know, it just looked really cute in my head, and I like how it turned out. So I did the same thing to the thumbnail as well. And then for the French tip, the ring finger, I just used those white ones. Just went around the cuticle area with those. I do not like this wax pen either. My son bit up my other rhinestone picker, so I need to get a new one. But this is what this set. On the other fingers, I just did a pink and a white at the cuticle area, just one on top of each other, and I love how that turned out. This is the set, you guys. I'm obsessed. I love that freaking pink color. It's so pretty. I love how the set turned out. Like I said, it came out amazing. I just wanted to do a quick, easy set for you guys, for those who beginners who are wanting to do nail art. This is perfect for you guys. It's super simple, and if you don't have the blooming gel, you can use base coat as well. Just throwing that out there. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.